Okay, come on, let's go. Here's next nito, pupunta kami sa ano? Sa Royal Bat. Pero hindi kami papasok sa Royal Bat. Sandrine! Wow.
Hello? Gising na po yung mga natutulog kasi nandito na tayo. Yung mga hindi nakabili ng ticket, straight away pumila na kayo please. At kailangan 1:15. 1:15 nandito na kayo sa loob ng bus. Sa loob ng bus, 1:15 please. Kasi meron tayong 1 hour, almost 1 hour travel papunta sa bus. At may yung iba nag-book din. So please,
Stonehenge.
on time. Ha? Baka first time kong mangiwan, makinig kayo please. 1:15 tayo sa bus.
Iiwan talaga. Ayun, there's a deer na. Yeah. Yeah.
Yellow one. I wish I could ride my bike. I wish
Ay, dito lang pala na parking.
May mga
may pwede magdadala doon.
Layo-layo pala. Layo. Hindi, kasama yata entrance doon kasi pagbas ang mahal, no? Yes, we are here. We are here now. Put it down because we leave it here. Because we're going to walk around and we go to the other place. Yeah, we leave it bag here. Waiting for going to Stonehenge. Ayan. Waiting pa kami sa iba. Nahuli yung sa isang bus. Yeah?
Which group are we in?
Huh?
Group are we in?
It's good. It's the same group. But different bus. Layo pang lakarin guys. Papunta Stonehenge. Papasok kami. Still, you sleep already in the bus. Come on, dali na later. You sleep back when we go. Quickly. Stonehenge. Sayang, wala pang queue, oh.
Tawagan mo sila. Kasaan natin? Wala nang sila. Wala na? Sila online wala. Kaya, wait ko na lang.
dito muna kayo sa akin. Ikaw, si Yula na. Kayo, si yung isang sister mo.
Yung lahat na nakabukit no? Ayan si ate nakabukit sa akin.
Nakabog sa akin.
Daan na kayo na doon sa atin.
Dito lang kayo mag-ano. Teka lang ano.
Mm.
Yung mga gusto pang mag-CR, wala naman ako.
Huh? What are you doing that one?
Pwede pang kumain. Matanggal.
Ano yata ito? Come, I take your picture na, come on. Stand up there. Don't go sir here, not there. Stand up there. Just don't go far away. Just here. Okay, again. Come on up. Take me picture as well. Come on. Yeah. Take a bus, guys, to get in the Stonehenge. Show your ticket, Nak. Thank you.
Very much.
We take a bus. Grabe, countryside talaga. Come on, dali, dali. Only here. We are here now. We are here now. Walang talo. It's raining. Shower. Oh my God. Come on, let's walk. We walk down there. Nasa gitna kasi kaya naambon. Nawala yung araw. Ang ganda ng weather kanina, no? Nawala. Nag-shower. Blessing. There's a blessing. It's that. Before Stonehenge.
Mommy,
Mm.
when I was getting some grass, I saw the mysterious bug.
Yeah.
Just inside the grass very quick.
Really?
Yes, it was a tiny one that didn't look like a snail.
Mm.
It looked like a star.
Yeah. We didn't take our umbrella. We leave the umbrella in the porch. Let's go there already then. Go, go, go. Go, walk. Sandrine, come.
Yes, okay, yes, yes.
Bato. O dahil lang sa bato. Sandrine, ay. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, a shower. Yeah, it's a shower. It's a rain, but it's not heavy. It's just a shower. Shower. Ang dami guys, daming tao. Coaches to lahat. Langan naka-coach pumunta dito. Yeah. Hmm. May mga tao. Come on, don't touch it. Ang daming tao. Dito lang, hanggang dito lang. Yan lang siya, guys. Bato. Hindi pwede maglapit, hindi yan. You want to take picture na? Okay, stand up there. Wait, because there's people there. Yan lang siya, guys. Yan, guys. Ito lang yung bato ang pinunta dito. Naghalaga ng ano. Libo-libo. Diba? Don't touch it. Look at a lot of sheep. You cannot go closer. Because it's just kaming tao. Ito yung model ko. Come on, look at here, Nak. Okay, come on, let's go. Here's next nito, pupunta kami sa sa Royal Bat. Pero hindi kami papasok sa Royal Bat. Sandrine! Yeah. Come here, come here. Come here, Nak. Stand up. Limit lang yung namin kasi travel pa kami ng 1 hour mahigit yata. Pangit yung weather. Pangit yung weather, guys. Kanina maaraw, ngayon nag-ano siya. Cloudy. Woo! Maulan. Malayo. Maulan.
Yan, ako rin.
Oh, come here, dali. Quickly, because it's too heavy, rain na. Hindi na pwedeng kasi maulan na talaga. It's raining, guys. Raining. Wala kami dalang yung umbrella namin iniwan kasi windy din naman. Let's go na kaya. Umagano na tayong bus. Catch up the bus to go back. Uy, yung buhok ko. Yan, maulan. Maulan, maulan. Sandrine! Come on, Lina.
I can't really open my eyes.
Hmm? African. So, ayan guys, here in the, entrance, walang ulan daw. So, doon lang sa Stonehenge may ulan. Ito yung malaking bato. Ito, malaking bato. Dito tayo. Ito yung sa, bungad. Ito yata yung houses before. Kaya tayo. Yung araw dito, wala talagang ulan dito. No, don't get inside there. Here, there's open here. Look. Ito yung old model yata ito ng mga house dito sa England. Get in. Pasok tayo. Oh, ito yung mga nagamit nila. Higaan.
Looks like a troll's house.
Hmm? Yeah, this is I don't know what is the name of this.
House.
It's come on, let's go. We'll go up.
Saw at Munda Valley.
Yeah. You want to take picture there in the open one? Oh, come on na, Sandrine. Sandrine! Ayan guys, pabalik na kami sa sa coach. Kasi kailangan kong magpunas ng ulo. Dito, pag gusto mong kumain, if you have food, so dito kayo. Ang dami pang nakapila. Mga walang ito. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami sa sa coach. Waiting kami sa mga kasamahan. So, pahinga na ako sa coach. Kasi magbunas ako ng ulo before we going to Bath, travel to Bath. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye guys! Woo, nice experience but raining there in the Stonehenge.